and dislike this type. Raise your hands. Clear, speak with confidence. Clear, with confidence. Why with confidence is a prepositional phrase? Why not, adjective phrase? Why not verb phrase? I'm asking you a question. Just, think and let me know. Why it's a prepositional phrase with confidence? Because it is starting with a preposition that is with. It is starting with a preposition that is with. What is the preposition that starts? That is with, okay? Preposition phrase starts with a preposition, it shows relationship. With is the preposition, confidence is the object. Clear? Next one. Pick the correct synonym for the word resilient. Synonym for the word resilient is tough. Clear? Resilient means able to recover quickly. Resilient means able to recover quickly. Clear? Fragile, that is the opposite of resilient. The word opposite in meaning to savage is civilized. Clear? Next one. Choose the option with correct spelling. Clear? Apprehension is the right option with correct spelling. Apprehension is the right option with correct spelling. Remember the spelling. Identify the example of complex sentence. He did not finish his project because he ran out of time. Clear? I think it's A part.
Yes, sir. Yes.
He did not finish his project because he ran out of his time. Why it's A part? Why it's a complex sentence? Why it's A part?
We did not.
One by one, please. Don't speak in the air of. No aerial firing, please. Don't speak in the air. Speak, properly.
Because it has both independent and dependent clause.
It has got both independent. Which one is independent clause? Plus
Because he ran is a dependent clause.
because he ran out of time is dependent clause. He did not finish his project is independent clause. When there is one or more independent or dependent clauses, that is called complex sentence. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.